in the park, strolling the summer days of imagination.